There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist.
From the city face.
I hear the voice.
You don't know Chef Reid.
And Chef Alexander here.
Tell you with our next epic video, guys. Epic. E-P-I-C. So you don't want to know for me. Like the video. Share the video.
Drop some banger comments down below. Run over to King and Alice. Subscribe. Share out the video. Them.
Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
Talk to me, huh?
Pre-out the intro.
Soon forward.
Soon forward. Welcome back, guys. So from you see by the title, you know what we'll be doing today. A plantain salad, and these are the ingredients. And we have our croutons, our raisins, and assorted nuts along with our plantain. As we go along, you'll see the rest of the ingredients.
Alright, guys, so right now we're just gonna go right tonight. No itching to the simple cook, easy 1, 2, 3. Just like taking candy from a baby. So first of all, I'm gonna use half of the plantain.
Yes, guys.
Set this aside. Understand? So I'm gonna peel the other half. Everybody knows to peel plantain already, though. So that not have to be no tutorial. It's a simple 1, 2, 3.
Yes, guys. And if you hear any bubbling or beeping or clicking, that's the oil around the back heating up. And our plantain, it is not ripe, guys.
It's just that it was in the fridge, so you know the color
changes.
But preferably current plantain is best to be used.
Yes, guys.
Because you want a little sweet.
Yeah, you want it a little bit sweet.
Alright. So now I'm going to cut it in 2.
Watch closely, right? Look at that. You realize the plantain is not ripe, as we said before.
Alright, so we're going to give it like, so 1, 2, then we go. Because we want the cubes them small.
Yes, guys. Small bite-sized cubes.
And then we're going to repeat that.
Yes, repeat once more. And you can use whatever fruit or vegetable you have to make this salad, whether it is papaya, you know, do a little fruit salad.
I know when we go to work, we do everything different around here. So I'm going to repeat the same thing with this plantain.
Yes.
And then, you know what we're going after we do that.
Go submerge in the oil. So we know you get the drift, guys. So we're going to catch you back when we're putting this in the oil, right? We're so forward. Yes, guys, our oil has been heating up at the right temperature, so we're just going to submerge our plantains. Look at that. And we're just going to fry these until golden, right? Beautiful.
Make sure them pull apart, guys, because the stain, you know, the plantain, sometimes make them stick together. We don't really want that. We want everybody single fry.
Look at that, man.
A simple recipe, guys.
Yes. Simple and easy, right? So we're gonna come back when the plantains are ready for removal. So forward. It's removal time, so we're gonna remove these. Look how it's nice and golden, right?
Realize that the plantain is definitely not right, guys.
Look
if it's
at
right,
that.
you know how the color would look.
Hold it right there. Look at that, beautiful, right? Yes. And because the plantain was turned, it holds the shape, guys.
So I made this cool and then get on with the assembly.
Yes, guys.
Easy 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Nothing difficult, guys. And I have to tell them about the dressing. A Scotch bonnet vinaigrette, so I don't have to ask how that tastes. It's sweet and a little spice.
Yes, guys. So sweet and spicy, that's the vibe. So onto the assembly, but we're gonna wait and allow these to cool down just a little bit, so we'll soon come back. Yes, guys, so we thought we were assembling, not as yet. We're gonna brulee our nuts, right? So we just add a little bit of sugar, Just a toops of water, and allow the water and the sugar to dissolve, right? Get all of that sugar particle to dissolve. A little bit more sugar there. Look at that. And guys, at this point we don't want to stir because we don't want to start forming crystals, right? A little bit of salt. Get that in there. Look at that goodness, right? Or assorted nuts. Give it a toss. Look at that, guys. Tell me if this is not giving, guys. What this remind you guys of? Look at that. Beautiful, right?
Yeah guys, so just coat the nuts with the sugar.
Perfect.
Caramelize it, or a better word, you can brulee, whichever one you want to use. Alright, that's about it, guys. Ready. So now
After the assembly, right? Assembly time, guys. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section, right? Here we go. Yes, guys, here we go. Time for the assembly.
I'm gonna see the plate.
Alright, you don't know what time it is.
Alright.
We're planting. Guys, and I want someone in the comment section to comment and tell me what type of salad we're doing, right? Yeah, wait for the comments. Yes, me hear you. Everything, that's correct. We are doing a composed salad. Yes, guys. Look at that, man. Beauty, right? Yes, guys, so we're just gonna add our raisins. And you can have as much raisin or as much nut as you like, depending on you. And guys, if you're making this for someone, bear in mind that raisins, yes, and nuts as well. So you have to ensure that you know that the person or persons are not allergic, right? What do you think we're going to add next? I'm listening. You have it right. Or croutons. Yes, guys, this is a healthy and balanced salad. Look at that. Yes, right there. Everything and or nuts. Yes, guys. This sweet, savory, and spicy, perfect combination, right?
Look at everything up pop.
Look at the color blend. We have that dark brown, a little light brown, and that pale yellow from the plantain. Yes, guys, beautiful.
You never expect this, no?
Not at all. And our egg, you don't know, protein. Guys, usually a salad has a base, but today we decide to work without that base, right? So ensure that when you're making any salad, the salad must have a base. Evenly distributed. Fun fact again, when you're serving a composed salad, is either you give the person the dressing to add when they're eating it, or you add it when you're just gonna serve it, like what we're about to do now, guys.
For the star of the show, guys. I'm going to add some scotch bonnet vinegar.
Yes.
I'm going to add it moderately.
Yes, everywhere, right?
Look at that.
Evenly distributed.
But
That's
also
right.
fussing us with this here. Add a little bit more because I know that we Jamaican we love spice.
And we love our sweet tooth. I don't know, guys, in everything we must have flavor and taste. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. This would be complete without our garnish. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I love the different colors that this is giving. We have our yellow, a little white, the different hints and shade of brown, and a little yellow again from that plantain. There you have it, guys. This is the finishing look. Take a good look. Yes, ensure that you're following us on Instagram. We'll post the pictures over there. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.